So guys, this is going to be a very short video concerning the post I made about the Nigerians traveling to countries like Libya, Egypt, and Mali, and Cairo, and so on for domestic housework. But I don't understand, because I saw a lot of reactions. Number one, I'm grateful for people that took their time to explain that. In fact, I saw a comment. Someone said she earned, or he or she, I can't remember now, as much as 800,000 Nigerian money every month. Some, really came through with their stories by explaining that it's far better there when they change the money into Nigerian currency, that it's better and it pays off. And some actually talk about the fact that they have good bosses, that they don't have problem, that their bosses treat them fine, treat them so good. And some complain about it. So what's the big deal if some people are complaining and they seek help and they couldn't get help, and we are trying to help them down back to Nigeria? And for somebody like us, it was because I'm working on it and I don't know much. But the only question that comes to my head is, but she be domestic work now in Nigeria with the more bush man scars to to buy money that was staff domestic staff koto replacement wa she koto je. So it's normal but she no call àwọn ẹlòmíì ló ń ṣe níta ni pé she do call on in other countries ni and then gbori stories. So which one is that's so bad about people. When you buy Jago, which I bought it down, she might feel like comment section. And we see comment are still rolling in. Ha! Someone say you the young rubbish. Someone say oh they near. Someone say auntie oh there. Auntie get call. Ha! If all these comments are coming from most of you in those countries that I mentioned, you got to buy one, but to buy enjoy it. Good luck. Good luck. More grace to your elbow. If you want me to encourage others to do the same thing that you have done, I won't be able to do that, because you want to one bit to feel happy. A contrast we cannot come back to Nigeria. Taba one Nigeria, taba she famine, tashuri opportunity pogon lui, kishe famine nikon. I'm more yin kon la le she, then taba collaborate. She most of the time I dash she cooking jack kon yo. Yoruba bo won ni pe ola on ya tabare ni bala or something. So e de ka ni fi ara wa ka ma le bara wa she. To taba fe business ko ma fe bere, find partners kejo join ara yin kejo bere. Any lati ma sọ̀rọ̀ tí ò dáa. I mean well for you. But regardless, I love you guys. I love you so much. And to those of you that booby, some of you open your that dirty one. You say, oh, daddy, Atioshi. How does it even sound? The one type, any man do man for you enjoy abi. Oh, but I love you still. I love you. But thank you for orientating me. Thank you for orientating me. Thank you for letting me know that and you can a bad way, a like a bear. It's okay. We'll see how it goes. But I want you one bad doing. But I want you one complain. We'll see how it goes. I'll still come back on this matter. On this matter, because me lema wo àwọn èèyàn mi kí wọ́n máa jìyà nílùú òkèèrè tí ó dá tó ìlú tiwa. Don't worry. You know, I told you that we're just getting started on this issue. I love you. So don't get it twisted. This is not insulting matter. This is not an issue you trivialize. Don't trivialize it. Don't cover it up. Don't have to see if everything is fine. If things might be fine in your own workplace, I understand some people actually that are there, that are working there, that are happy working there. They came out with their truth that they enjoyed working there and I want them back good money. That is you. It does not mean that some people are not suffering. And it doesn't mean that there is no such job opportunity in Nigeria. And that does not mean that it's a must that it has to be a domestic or housework, job you want to take up. I told you in my previous videos that there are so many things we can come together to do. And if you want to build this country, Japa is not the is not all this Japa law, well-developed country, well, organized. I love you. It's because I love you. I want you to be where you will be treated good. I love you. That's the reason. So what's be the insult matter, and nothing when you see abuse, the insult, they pain us. People like us, I don't know. Sometimes maybe because we might give some reactions and you feel jolara. No, it's not they enter us because this is what we eat, we live. We will not be so. But honestly, I love you. Regardless, I love you. I love you so much. I love you because I figure it's the love you have for me that makes you react like, oh, why is she talking like this? Oh, we love her. We love her. Why is she not talking? She doesn't even have sense. And why is she not talking like this? Don't worry. When I begin to, when a lot of things is much more clearer to you, you will know that I love you so much and I have sense and I care for you. And it's only because the feeling I have, I don't want you to suffer. I don't want anybody to maltreat you. I love you genuinely. I love you so much, and I mean it that I love you. So guys, let's keep our fingers crossed and let's be good. So for those that reached out to me that need help, we are working. Help is on the way. Keep doing good. We can you know how long you people have been with me? That's why believe me. So we are together. I love you. I love you. I love you. Chop kiss.